Hey everybody, this is John Lee with AFC International, and today we've got a Sundstrom Pandemic Flu Kit here. We're just going to do a quick unboxing, show you folks what's coming in it, and give you an idea of what is all included in this. Maybe try to get it up a little closer, you can see the product, you can see the respirator itself. But as you order these come in a case of 3. You're looking at about $206 list price for the case of 3. So again, it's going to come into a nice little box. So let's go ahead and start. Get this bad boy open and show you guys what's in it. Each kit's going to come, it's going to have a SR100 half mask. It's going to give one P100 filter. You're going to get 80 pre-filters. And then the nice little box that comes with it here. So let's see here. Yeah, so these are going to be your pre-filters. Looks like they come 5 to a pack. You got a bunch of them in here. Feel like a kid on Christmas morning here, opening everything up, getting all my goodies. So yeah, lots of pre-filters. All right. So there's your SR100 mask. Unravel that. You can see the straps here. You got 2 straps, nice thick straps, and then the rubber piece on the back of the strap here. It's got these little teeth. Looks like some nice, pretty good grip there. Really hold on to the back of your head, keep it from moving. Just looking at it right out of the box and getting my hands on it, I like the feel of it. It's a nice soft silicone. It's got some nice big exhalation ports over here on the side. So yeah, and then so here's your P100 filter that comes with it. Again, these are going to be great for flu, the new coronavirus, just dust, silica, working around concrete. So it's not just for the medical field. You can really use this all over. These are great for construction guys, concrete guys, working around lime, things like that. Stop a lot of this. Not organic vapors, so don't go into any type of chemical factory and start breathing in chemicals, because this won't stop. This is just more of a particulate filter. Stop some of that big particulates from coming in. And let's see what else they got here. This also comes with, so you got a little label here. That's going to be able, you can put on your mask or on your box that it comes with. More just an identifier. You got manuals, and it looks like some information on the cartridges themselves. So those back in there. Don't need that. Looks like just a little, just a cleaning tissue that Sundstrom supplies, and then that's going to be the outside container for the filter. That's going to snap on. We'll snap everything on here and show you guys real quick. And then it also came with just a pre-filter that's not even in the package. So I guess you get 81 pre-filters. Alright, so that's going to go on to the bottom end. We'll do that again here. We'll pull it off and show you guys. Alright, so you're looking at your filter. On the top of the filter, you got it the right side up when you're able to read the words. You got this lip up here. That's going to be what's going inside of the respirator here. So this is just going to hold that pre-filter onto the end of your filter. It's real easy, just snaps right on there. No, not much to it. Pretty easy. You can just pull it out right out of the box and put it together. It's pretty easy. So then you got this rubber ring right here in the center that your cartridge is going to go into. Let's see if we can. I'm not making a mess here as I'm throwing everything around off the table. There we go. Now I'm ready to go. Now I can protect myself from the flu, from the coronavirus. I can go work with some concrete. I can go do some construction, keep myself safe, keep the particles out of my lungs.
What's the purpose of the pre-filter, John?
The pre-filter is basically just going to keep your main filter from getting the big particulates. It's going to stop those really big particulates. These are a lot less expensive to replace than you are on an actual filter. So you can replace these daily or as needed. When this gets dirty, and it's just going to prolong that life of that P100 filter more than anything.
Very good.
So yeah, I mean, looking right out of the box, you're ready to go.
Sizes for these?
Sizes are small, medium, and then medium, large. They do have a large, extra large. I've always tended to wear a large respirator. Now with my beard, of course, it might be a little bit tighter, but this is a medium large. And I feel like it's a pretty tight fit. For myself, I could probably go up one. So if you are or tend to wear a larger respirator, you're probably going to want to get that large or extra large. And if you're usually medium, stick to that medium large.
So men generally medium large.
Need at least a large extra large.
And women and children mostly will be in the small medium.
Yes, correct.
But that's not always the case. But you
yeah,
always
not
got to
always
check.
the case, but it's a good starting point.
Okay.
So
now, should these be fit tested?
They should be. Anytime you wear a respirator, you should be fit tested, and you can be fit tested with these, depending on which fit tester you have. There'll be an adapter that'll go with it. So with that fit tester. So if you're looking to get these, you're looking to fit test, it's a great option. These are going to last a lot longer than an N95. They're going to give you a little longer life. These are right around 5 years, usually what these last, unless you're really tearing them apart. Where an N95 is going to last you maybe a day or a few hours. Again, price point, they come as a case, so you get 3-day case. I think they're right around, say, the $205, $206 price point.
Per case.
Per case.
Per case.
So
And then the filters
case.
can be bought separate from us.
Filters can be bought separately from us. Those come in as case as well. I believe those come in a case of 50. And then the pre-filters come in a case of, I believe, 800.
But we'll break those up and have them available
Yes,
for
we'll break them up. We'll do what we can to take care of everybody.
onesie-twosies. Very good. All
Yeah,
right.
so we just wanted to show you guys this. We've been talking a lot about respiratory, and we've talked about the coronavirus, N95s, and kind of what they're used for, and especially in today's day and age, there's all kinds of craziness going on in the world. So we just want to show you what options are out there for you guys, what you can use to protect yourself. By all means, we love the Sundstrom product. We do have some other products out there, GVS, Ellipse P100, which we've showed on a video before. There's a lot of good products out there to keep yourself safe, and I say this is one that we've really liked and like to push. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-952-3293. Check us out on our website, www.afcintl.com. We got most of our products up there. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube. We do a lot of different YouTube videos, and also LinkedIn. All right. Thanks, guys.